Well, hey guys, today I'm gonna make a keto chocolate chai smoothie. So I know you guys love these smoothie videos, and these are things that I consume on a regular basis. So let's start by making this super simple. I have got the Blendtopia right here. These guys are awesome. They have got it all set up. So this actually has cauliflower, avocado, so you have the healthy fats. Cauliflower is a very low carbohydrate vegetable that's full of nutrients and really is great in a smoothie. Coconut oil, MCT oil. It's got cacao, right? So organic ingredients, organic cacao, which is loaded with polyphenol antioxidants that support gut health, support good blood flow and oxygenation into deep areas of your body. It also has flax seeds and it has chai spices. So your different spices that are in here are things like cardamom and cinnamon, which really do a great job of supporting blood sugar stability and insulin sensitivity. So perfect for a keto diet. And you can see on this thing, this has 3 grams of sugar, 5 grams net carbs, which is total carbs minus fiber. That's the key thing we're looking for. 17 grams of fat right in here. So first thing we're gonna do, we're just gonna rip, right? This is how easy it is. So instead of me having to cut up and freeze all these different things, boom, there it is, right there, just like that. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of, this is coconut almond milk. And I like an almond milk or a coconut milk. Coconut milk's my favorite. And I always try to make sure I get it carrageenan free. Carrageenan is an ingredient that has been linked to inflammation in the body, right? So you wanna make sure you get carrageenan free. So I put a little bit of that in there. Now, there's 17 grams of fat, so you probably don't need any more fat, but for me, I like a little bit more MCT oil. So I'm gonna put a little bit of my Keto Brain C8 MCT oil, which is amazing for helping you with brain function, right? Get the ketones up in your brain. And for me, I only eat really 2 meals a day, so I like a good amount of calories, and MCTs are really good and easy on the system. Now I'm gonna add in some bone broth protein, which is rich in collagen. Stay tuned at the end of this video. I'll talk more about the benefits of collagen and bone broth protein. This one right here, the Dr. Jockers brand, is flavored with stevia, so I'm gonna put a scoop of that in there. These are my 2 favorite bone broth proteins. I'm gonna use a little bit of the Paleovalley bone broth protein in there as well. So I do that and top it off just a little bit with a little bit more of the milk and mix it up just a bit. Throw it in the Ninja. So this is how it comes out right here. So it's a little bit, you know, you gotta get a little spoon going or a straw. But it tastes great. You can taste those chai flavors. So again, chai has nutmeg in there, cinnamon. There's also ginger and cardamom. And ginger is amazing. These are all what we call carminative herbs that are great for digestive health. So they help stimulate the vagus nerve, which allows you to have better intestinal motility. They help reduce inflammation in the gut. They help reduce pathogen buildup in our gut. They help reduce gas and bloating and help support good movement through the bowel system. So good. It tastes great. Ginger, again, is amazing for reducing inflammation, great for our immune system. So this is a fantastic meal. Now, some of you guys are wondering, why did I put in 2 scoops of protein? Because for me, I do better on a high protein diet. So I got roughly 35, 40 grams of protein in there. These are fully loaded. They just don't have the protein. So basically what you do is you add in, you know, a good milk that you want to use, like a coconut milk or almond milk or something like that. And then you add in a good quality protein powder, throw it in there, blend it up, and you are good to go. So guys, check it out. Check out Blendtopia for their keto chocolate chai right here. Their little mix makes it super easy. I didn't have to do the cut up or any of the processing of these ingredients. I just threw that in there. Check out the protein powders. I'll talk about them in just a second. Keto Brain, and you guys will love this shake right here. So check it out. Would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Well, hey there, I hope you enjoyed that smoothie video. And as you saw, I used bone broth protein. Why is that? Because of the collagen that's in there. I really think this is a functional food. Collagen is something that all of us need In fact, it's our structural protein. It's like glue in the different structures of our body. It makes up most of our skin. 70% of our skin is collagen. Our joints, all of our ligaments, tendons, bones, our nails, different things like that. All collagen is so critical there. Again, it's like glue that holds everything together. The problem is in our diet today, we are not consuming enough collagen. And as we age, our natural collagen production significantly reduces, and this can cause things like fine lines and wrinkles, cellulite, dark circles under our eyes, joint pain, gut issues, weakened nails, even hair loss. And so really need to support our collagen production. And the way that we do that is really getting the right amino acids, and consuming bone broth, collagen proteins is a great way to do that. And so when we consume that, we're getting these key amino acids like glycine, hydroxyproline, and proline, which have been shown to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, reduce cellulite, help boost our metabolism, help support gut health, reducing inflammation in our body, reducing joint pain, and a lot of other issues. And so you can certainly make your own bone broth. I'm a huge fan of that. The problem is you got to order bones, maybe from your local farmer or from your grocery store. You got to get the bones, and then you got to boil them up, and you really should be boiling them for a good period of time. If you're using chicken bones, you want to boil those for roughly 12 to 18 hours. If you're using beef bones, you want to boil them for at least 24 hours to extract as much of the minerals and as much of the collagen protein as possible. And most people are just not going to take time to do that on a regular basis. And this is why I'm a huge fan of using bone broth or collagen protein, and putting it in smoothies like you just saw. So my favorite types are the Paleovalley bone broth protein right here. This is awesome stuff. 15 grams of collagen protein per serving, 3.4 grams of glycine. And glycine, again, is key for liver detoxification, great for your skin, your joints, your hair, your nails, all of those different things. And glycine also helps improve sleep quality in fact, the study showed that 3 grams of glycine, a dose of 3 grams of glycine, was shown to actually reduce body temperature and increase serotonin production, which therefore serotonin is a precursor to melatonin. And serotonin also helps us feel good. And it produces melatonin, which is your sleep hormone, and helps induce really good sleep without promoting daytime drowsiness. So you can take glycine or bone broth protein, collagen protein during the day, and not get the daytime drowsiness, and will help support good sleep at night. So bone broth protein, grass-fed, Paleovalley, 100% grass-fed. They screen out for 40 different heavy metals and toxins to make sure they're not in there. It's non-GMO, right? It's all the best stuff. Paleovalley, we always know we're gonna get the best stuff from them. Guys, I got a coupon code below this video, but basically you just go to paleovalley.com/drjockers. Use the coupon code JOCKERS at checkout for your order. You'll save 15%. So that is Paleovalley. And then also, I have my Dr. Jockers bone broth protein as well. This uses a proprietary process to really extract the collagen and make it more absorbable with the collagen peptides, very absorbable. And it's also got stevia to sweeten it up. So we've got vanilla and we've got chocolate. So if you're looking for like a really good sweetening, for your protein shake, this is great. Tastes good, really good for supporting collagen production. So you can use that as well. Use the coupon code JOCKERS at checkout to save 10% off on your orders at my website. So whether you choose to use these ones or not, the big thing I'd recommend is get more bone broth or collagen protein in your diet. If all you're eating is muscle meats and plant-based proteins, you're not getting enough glycine, hydroxyproline, and proline, and that can lead to cellulite formation. It can lead to fine lines and wrinkles. It can lead to damaged skin, joint pain, more inflammation in your body, and poor health. And so definitely add the collagen, get the bone broth protein, and start putting that into your smoothies. And remember to like this video, share it with somebody that you care about, and of course subscribe and hit the bell button. That way you get notified whenever I put up a new video. Thanks so much for doing that, and be blessed.